everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I am going to test out Mally Beauty's Believable Brows in the shade medium brown. And I've used pomades in the past, I've used powders, and I like powders actually in the past. And yes, my eyebrows are two different colors. We're doing a science experiment today with makeup is the reason I'm going with. If you would like to see how these wear and apply and why my two eyebrows don't look the same color, please stay tuned because we're going to jump right into it. Okay, I have the majority of my face makeup already done and I'm ready to do my eyebrows. I can't do my eyeshadow before I do my brows because it throws me off. So I am going to pause my makeup application and we're going to do the brows. Today I'm going to try the Mally Beauty Believable Brows right here. I got this at Kohl's. It was $26. I had a bunch of Kohl's cash, so I thought I'd try this. I really like Mally's shadow sticks a ton, and I've been kind of wanting this, so thought it was time. On the back it says, "The gorgeous way to get perfectly groomed brows. With her 2-in-1 brow kit, Mally delivers professional-looking results for tamed, defined, and enviably arched brows. The tinted wax fills in and shapes the brow. The color-coordinated powder sets the brow in place for an eye-catching, all-day wear. And because Mally knows that tools make the makeup, she's included a double-ended, slanted brush for the most precise application." Okay, so I do have mine in the shade medium brown, so I hope this is the right shade. It should be. Okay, so it does come with a brush that is super cute, and then the brow product right here, cute little packaging. Man, the color looks real good. Open this brush. Okay, the brush feels really, really nice. It's got double-ended, and it's a really, really nice size. It's not an inky-dinky little, you're gonna lose it as soon as you open the pack kind of thing. Okay, the directions, it came with a nice little helpful pamphlet in case you need help. And the directions say to use short strokes, apply the brow wax with the stiff end of the brush to fill in any sparse areas or missing hairs. With the softer end of the brush, apply the powder to the entire brow for a perfectly groomed and polished look that lasts. Okay. I'm not sure which side's supposed to be rough. I think this side? This side I'm going to go with, because I think this one moves less. Just makeup. Okay. So I am going to dip into the wax. Just a little bit. I don't have too much on. I don't know if that's going to pick up, but hold your breath because it's that new product and you're like, I don't know how this is gonna go. Right off the bat, I can tell you this is a warm brown. Oh crap. We'll make it work. The product feels really nice. The brush is really easy to use, which I do appreciate. It stamps well. Yeah, it's a little warm, but I have tried, well, who made that pomade? There was a pomade I tried and it did the same thing. It was very, very warm, and what I did is I took a cooler brown shadow and went over it. But for the sake of trying this out, we're just going to stick to these products, see how they wear together. Okay, I think that's about as good as it's going to get. I'm going to turn it over to this side, and we're going to use the powder. Set the brow. Maybe this one's not as red. Oh yeah. This one's cooling it down. So I won't have to go in with a different powder to set this, to kind of cool it down, because that really did tame it down quite a bit. It still looks really, really red in the viewfinder. Oh, lordy, lordy. There's one brow done, and that looks red. Looks very, very red in the viewfinder. Scary red. This is going to be a fun day. I'm also testing out a new foundation, and it's going about that well too. So we're having a great day playing with makeup, for sure. All right, we're going to flip the brush over, and I'm going to go back over to what I think is the more stiff side, and we're going to do the other side. Yeah, today's testing some new makeup. I've had my eye on this for quite some time, and I decided to grab it, like I said, with some Kohl's Cash. And maybe it'll be different when I go to edit it and it's not so red. Oh, crap, crap, crap. Maybe there's a learning curve. Maybe they don't. Maybe I should not fill in as much with the wax and more so with the powder. I'm not leaving the house. We're gonna try it. Okay. Alright, Mally says couple of hairs. So that's where I'm going to leave it there, and then I'm going to go in with the powder. I did flip the brush over, and we're going to try not totally filling in with the wax and just pretty much outlining it and see if that makes a difference. Yes, I'm gonna have 2 different brows today. Oh, crap. Anyways. So, how is everybody? Oh my goodness. I can't believe I did that. That's alright. I will say I do like this brow better. For sure. I can wear this one. I don't feel bad about this one. Oh my god. I didn't think it looked really, really bad before. And I thought maybe it was just my eyesight going funky and I haven't had enough coffee and that's why it looked really red. But now that I didn't totally fill in with all of the wax, and I just more outlined and did a couple little hairs on the inner part of my eyebrow where I am missing a ton of hair. And I'm looking in my little mirror in front of me and it's so red. Oh, I'm not leaving the house. So we are experimenting with makeup today, and maybe this is a good thing. We'll see how well the powder holds up. I do like powder brows, so I look ridiculous. Okay, so I'm going to get off here, and I am going to jump on over and finish my makeup. It is currently about 11:30. I will do a check-in if I can later. We're in the middle of an ice storm, day 3 or 4, and we don't know what sunshine is right now, so I don't know that I will have some daylight. I might come down here and see in front of studio lights, but I might not. I might just wait, and I'll come back at the end of the night. I'll give this a good shot for the day. Oh, crap. But anyways, yeah, we got some crazy eyebrows going on today, so I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, we're at the end of the night. I'm ready to call it quits for the day. It's been a long day. I did not do a check-in, but I did do a picture on my phone. I ran downstairs because I had to charge it anyway, so I did take a picture. Was that around 4:34 maybe? It's currently 8:30, so it's been on for about 9 hours. I have thoughts. It's still very red. It doesn't look bad. The tone of it did tame down quite a bit as the day wore on. And honestly, when I took the picture midday, I could barely tell a difference in photograph. I'm thinking it kind of melts into the skin a little bit, and it does adjust to an extent. That being said, I think the side with just the outline and just a few hair strokes with the wax and then filled in with the powder, it looks more natural. This one's heavy. And I think because I have such sparse eyebrows as it is, that this is strange on me. If you have fuller eyebrows, this might be fine for you, but this is odd on my face, to myself. But as far as them staying in place, they stayed very well. The pigment was there. The pigment faded a little bit, thankfully. Didn't feel too crazy. I didn't interact with anybody but my kids or my husband, so it's just makeup. But I will definitely wear it again like we did this side with the wax just being an outline and kind of maybe controlling where they go, so maybe they're not going all over the place. But I will keep playing with this, and I will update you next month like I do all the other products. I will give every new product that comes to me a good fair chance and test it this way, that way, with different methods, and see if it works, if I can get it what works, what doesn't. So I will definitely keep everybody updated on that. If you guys liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I had a lot of fun testing this product today. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. I do upload every Monday, Thursday, and Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Okay, and here's the finished look, you guys. I have 2 mismatched eyebrows in color. Oh my gosh, it looks orange. It looks orange. This is orange, right? It's orange. We're gonna roll with it. We're gonna see. Maybe we'll see how long the powder lasts without the wax underneath it. Maybe I'm doing this on purpose. We're gonna go with that. This is makeup experimenting, so we're trying to figure out the best way to apply the brow product. Full wax or just where you needed wax. Oh my goodness. But anyways, I'm gonna go about my day. We're just kind of bumming around the house, gonna have some lunch, and then probably end up playing video games. Probably end up playing a bunch of board games or something. We got a bunch of board games from Christmas. So I will check in with you guys in a little bit, or I'll just see you at the end of the night. Either way, I will see you in a little bit.